This next tool that I'm going to show you is called Envelope. So just to start off with, you can see up here that the word imagine is drawn inside an ellipse. So we're going to start by drawing an ellipse on the screen, just roughly the size that we'd like to make it. And just get rid of this fill. Just make sure the outline is black. And you can toggle between, so left click along this top bar here will change your fill colors, and right click along here will change your outlines. So just coming along here, and just, you need a fairly thick text for this. I'm just going to go with stencil. Using the pick tool, make sure that that's selected. We can come up to effect and scroll down till we get to envelope. And you'll get this little dialog box over here, and just on this one here it says create envelope from, so we can click on this and we're going to create an envelope from this ellipse, and it's turned that text into the ellipse shape there, but it's not very easy to read, and part of signage is to create good communication. So we'll just go through our little options here to see which one's going to suit our design the best, which is vertical. We can delete our envelope shape. There's also some preset ones up here too if you wanted to use that. Now we need to, unless we want to etch that whole area, we need to make sure that that we don't have an outline on it. So we're just going to right click down here to get rid of outline, and we can double check that just by right clicking up here to fill, and it should show nothing on the screen. We'll come back and we'll fill it in. And we can bring this over, and so if this is a little bit too big, you can just drag your corners in. You can also change it in this direction too if you wanted to, but again, just making sure that you can understand what it says. We're going to have to take advantage of using the center tool, so that's now being centered. Might move this up a little bit on the page, and again just checking center. I'm now going to, so you can etch that, so that'll be all rastered or etched into it. You can also get rid of the fill. Oops, just make sure it's active. And put in an outline. We can convert all of that to curves. And that one there, if you don't want the laser cutter to etch that all the way through, we just need to change that, but you can actually have the laser cutter etch that all the way through if that's your intention. If you're going to etch it, it needs to be mirrored, and if you're going to cut through the laser cutter, it doesn't need to be if it's going to be hollow. And then we just go File, Save, and upload onto Canvas.